guys, and look who's in the apple. Mr. Jingles. Mr. Jingles the harvest mouse. Look at that. Is he not just the cutest mouse you've ever seen? Look at him just out there, enjoying the sun. What a beautiful mouse. Goodness me. Mr. Jingles the harvest mouse. I think he's having some apple. Oh, he is. He's enjoying apple. Mr. Jingles enjoying the apple. Yum, yum, yum. Is that nice, Mr. Jingles? Yep. It's carved specially for you. Oh my goodness. Cuteness overload. Brilliant. Thanks to Martin for bringing him to see me. Such an amazing mouse. Absolutely beautiful.